Hello there, my name is McHorse, and in this video, I'll show you how to make NPCs fight either against each other or attack players. So first, we need to create two factions that are aggressive toward each other. This can be done in Mappet's dashboard panel, equals key by default. Once created and configured, you need to configure a relationship toward opposing faction to be aggressive. Once factions are aggressive toward each other, let's create a new NPC with two states. Once two states are created, configure the morph for each state, in my case Tinky Winky and Kevin, and enable any other options you want. Once NPCs are configured, grab an NPC tool from Mappet's creative tabs, and spawn these two. At the moment, they are doing nothing. However, once I give them their factions, they will fight, literally, to death. Well, Kevin won this fight, so yeah, I'll go back to NPC editor and add those factions to their corresponding states. Okay, so that's how they fight. Now, if you want to make these NPCs fight forever, I'm not saying that you should, but if you want, simply disable killable toggle and spawn these NPCs again. They will fight forever, I think. After a couple of minutes of fighting, let's reset killable back to its default value. Now, let's make NPCs aggressive toward any mobs. This can be done by removing relations and setting default attitude for factions to aggressive. Then NPCs will attack everyone for exception of player or other NPCs that have passive or friendly relation with. I'll place a zombie pigman. And my NPCs, and crap. Well, that didn't go well. I'll just place two Tinkies and they will fight a zombie pigman. Pretty cool, huh? And finally, I'll show you how to make NPCs attack players. This can be done by changing the default attitude toward players to aggressive. If your NPCs by any chance can't attack you, there is one thing must be done to fix that. Change the difficulty to easy or above, and after that NPCs should be able to deal damage to you. If you want to change the amount of damage NPCs will deal upon every attack, all you need to change is the value in damage field. That's pretty much it. Now you can make your NPCs fight. If you'll have any questions about Mappet, please ask it on the Discord server, and make sure to read the wiki. It should cover all of the features present in the mod, or at least most of the features. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.